Okay guys and girls, so I have decided to include one more demonstration on how to proceed with the application process. We have already talked about the commerce degree program that was offered in University of Stuttgart, but now I will continue with this mechanical engineering degree program that is offered at Technical Hochschule Lübeck. So I open that in new tab and in requirement and registration tab. If you remember in commerce, for the commerce degree program, this tab, it did not show us any information, rather it referred us to the original course website. But in this tab, for this degree program, mechanical engineering, it actually gives us some information, right? So the admission requirement, we need to have a bachelor degree, which should be related to process engineering, material science, mechatronics, or if you have any other bachelor degree, then you have to include a letter of motivation. The language requirements are given. The application deadline for the summer semester as well as for the winter semester is given, and it tells you where to submit your application. So right now, this shows you that you have to submit your application at the online portal of UniAssist. I open that in new tab. Before I talk about UniAssist, right, I just want to tell you that again, if you see on the right hand side, no matter which tab you open, you go here, you will always have a hyperlink that will refer you to the course website. So we go to the course website, and again, if you're still uncertain what the degree program is all about, please have a look at the course website and you will find all the information here. So for example, if I go to the course of study, we have the general course of study, which is subjects, which will be the modules that are being offered. There's product development, there's mechanics of solids, there's advanced product development, computer aided design, computer aided techniques. Then there are elective courses, and there are a list of courses that are being offered, which are not mandatory courses, which are optional courses. So it will give you a very good idea which courses you will be studying, what will be the direction of your degree program, whether this is something you want to, you're really interested in or not, and if you really want to apply for this degree program. So you go here to apply now if you want to apply for this degree program, and then here you have application requirements, you also have the application process. So again, it tells you that you have to apply in UniAssist. What you have to do, you have to go to the online application, but what are the documents that you need? There's an application form, there's a certified copy of your higher secondary school certificate, which is FSC certificate. You need to have a copy of your language certificate, you need to have passport, and you need to pay admission fee. Right. Now I will talk about UniAssist, right? So we went to the online application, it opened a new tab for us. So basically what happens, as I already told you before, that all the top universities of Germany, they have their own portal where they ask for the applications and then they shortlist the applicants. But there are some other universities in Germany that seek the assistance of a third party. That third party is basically the UniAssist. Basically, what UniAssist does, they ask for your applications, they review your applications, they shortlist the applications, so they make the selection for the universities, right? So for this UniAssist, you need to pay an application fee. If you are applying directly to a university, if you are applying directly to a university portal, like we did in the case of Stuttgart, in the case of commerce, then there was no application fee. But since this is a third party, they're using their manpower to assess your applications, they require the application fee. What is the process? You go to registration, you fill in your particulars, you write down all the basic information, you register with them. Then you go to the application tab. Here again, just read through all of this. There are the 6 steps. So basically you need get information, you plan your application, assemble your documents, apply online, pay all the fees, and then you can also track your applications. So I assume that you have all your documents ready. You go to apply online. Here to the online portal, you go to the online portal, you log in, basically log in your password, your ID and your password, you fill in all the tabs, you upload all the documents, whatever they require, you just upload it and you submit it. After you submit it, you can review the status of your application, whether you are selected, whether you are admitted for a degree program or not. Yeah, so this is again very simple forward process. First of all, you assemble your documents, all the documents that you need, you attach them from HEC, whatever you need, you upload your documents, you submit it. That's all. Thank you.